This video is about names of animals in Sanskrit, specifically animals in Panchatantra stories of Vishnu Sharma. Story behind Panchatantra is there was a king named Amar Shakti. He had 3 sons, all were not so intelligent, so king was worried. Then he hired Vishnu Sharma as their teacher to teach them. Vishnu Sharma started telling stories of animals, birds, and human beings based on different topics. Within 6 months, he taught them and made intelligent. Whatever stories he told are divided into 5 parts: Mitra Bheda, Mitra Samprapti, Kakolukiyam, Lapta Pranasha, Aparikshita Karakam. As these stories are divided into 5 parts, that's why the book is called as Pancha Tantra. Pancha is 5, Tantra means topics. Now, names of animals: Simha, lion; Vyaghra, tiger; Gajah, elephant; Vanarah, monkey; Harinah, deer; शशः और शशकः रैबिट; शृगालः और जम्बुकः फॉक्स; वृषभः ऑक्स; अजः और अजा गोट; उष्ट्रः कैमल; गर्दभः डोंकी; वृकः वुल्फ; शुनकः और सारमेयः डॉग; चित्रकः चीता; नकुलः मुंगूस; मकरः क्रोकोडाइल; मत्स्यः फिश; कच्छपः टर्टल; सर्पः स्नेक; मंडूकः फ्रॉग।